Howdy y'all, welcome back to Cookin Check. We're back outdoors, and that's all something fancy today. What you see before you is what I like to call honey mustard chicken fingers. Now, it's a real simple recipe anybody can make in their house, just depends on what ingredients you want to use. What I did is I took 3 parts yellow mustard and 1 part honey, mixed them together in a bowl, added a little bit of water, throw it in the microwave, nuke it for about a minute and a half to 2 minutes, depending on how hot you want to get it. And throw it on chicken tenders. Then roll it around and mesh it around, get it all good and sticky and covered. And then stick it in your fridge and leave it in there for about 4 or 5 hours. Let it marinate real good. And then you can cook it. Now you can cook this in your frying pan with a little bit of butter, or you can cook it on the grill. I prefer it on the grill, adds a little bit more of a complex flavor. Now I've had these smoking for about an hour. Well, 45 minutes to an hour. And then I took the regular off. I've been sitting there just letting them grill. Let's check on the progress. Oh yeah. If they marinated long enough, they should come out looking about like this, where you put them on after you had them on the grill for a little bit. I think some folks call these chicken fingers when you grill them like this. I don't know. I don't see how they resemble fingers all that much. But yeah, we're almost done. Getting awful close. Should turn these on a pretty regular basis and keep them somewhat off the heat. They burn real easy. They get dry really easy. The honey mustard kind of keeps it in there a little bit. And then you can use pre-mixed honey mustard. What I did is I took it, heated it up and kind of made it from scratch. But ain't nothing wrong with the pre-made stuff. I'm just not too crazy about the flavor. I will say if you use raw, unfiltered honey, the flavor's much better. Next, what is it? Pasteurized. Pasteurized honey. I never understood pasteurizing something that's already edible, but hey, each to their own. We're about an hour and a half now. Got a little hot, a little too hot. Starting to dry it out. Oh yeah, yeah. See how them tenders are getting nice and red. The smoke seeped in a good little bit. Taters and onions in the wrap. Let's check on them. Oh yeah, yeah, that's the. Yeah, those are ready. Whew, they do smell good. Alright, we'll take them off. I'll take them inside. See if we can't get a reaction video out of Ma. Or a little shot out of Ma. See if she's satisfied. She's my biggest critic by far. She's been cooking since she was a little girl, so I'm still trying to catch up. Here's our final product, folks. Honey mustard chicken tenders or chicken fingers, however you want to put it. Taters, onions, we got some corn. Nice little down home, easy done meal. Like I said, you could do that in a frying pan. I just prefer it on a grill because it turns out a little bit more healthy. But yeah, that'll do it, folks. We're gonna dig in. Y'all have a good one.
You want me to taste the chicken?
Yes, ma'am. Could you please give a reaction video for the audience?
It's really good.
Dry?
No, it's juicy.
Hmm.
It's good. Very good.
All right. Thank you.